We've all said it, I'm bored. But boredom isn't about having nothing to do. It's about something deeper. Boredom is not emptiness. It's the gap between what we expect and what we actually feel. The mind is saying, I want more meaning, more novelty, more connection. Our brains run on dopamine. Dopamine is the chemistry of anticipation. When something excites us, dopamine sparks. When tasks feel repetitive, dopamine drops. That's when boredom sets in. In the 21st century, expectations are sky high. Constant excitement, endless entertainment, always productive, always fulfilled. But real life has pauses, real life has routines, and when reality doesn't match the hype, we call it boredom. But what if boredom isn't a problem? What if it's a signal? A doorway asking us to look deeper, not wider, to shift from not enough to already here. The antidote is gratitude. In line at the store, notice the colors. In traffic, enjoy the music. Folding laundry, feel its warmth. At home, notice small kindnesses. Appreciation transforms boredom into hidden beauty. Boredom is not emptiness. It's an invitation to presence, to creativity, to gratitude. When we shift how we see it, boredom becomes a hidden gift, a path back to joy.